We recently installed our solar system in Shahkam through DSG, and I think I have a great experience with them. If you talk about the energy with the experience of DSG, it's a great experience. They fulfill their requirements in all aspects. And if you talk about the operations, plant and cost saving, yes, there is a lot of cost saving right now. If you talk about the DSG, yes, I think I recommend DSG because they are the bigger in the Punjab, and the working and their communication and their installation things, yes, they are good in their project. I recommend them. Thank you so much.